Hey guys, it's me ILVA Crafts and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be awesome because I am filming a different video from the others. It is my first BTS journal with me video, so I hope you will enjoy it. Today I will journal about Taehyung's birthday. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe at my second channel at ILVA Craft Short and also follow me at my Instagram at ilva.crafts. For this spread, I decided to go for more of a vintage looking spread. This is the first vintage spread that I have done in this journal, so I hope you will get inspiration and why not recreate it by yourself. As you can see in this piece of craft paper, I drew kind of like a vintage looking picture frame because this spread is going to be more of a crafty spread than the others that I have done. As you can see, I just cut the middle part of the picture frame and I'm going to glue it on the piece of paper, but before doing that I also decided to cut the page on the same shape of the picture frame. If you guys want more of these videos, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, I will do a flip through of my first journal. You might remember this journal from my first shorts video, so I hope you will enjoy this new content that is coming. After cutting that middle part, I will glue the picture frame using a glue stick on the page. Then I'm going to use this kind of like a transparent plastic sheet to put under the picture frame to look like glass, but you can definitely skip this part if you don't have this kind of plastic sheet. It will look awesome without it too, but I decided to use it just to give it more dimension. And as you can see, I used some kind of like a paper tape to stick it on the page, but you can definitely use washi tape too. As I said, you guys, you can definitely skip this part if you don't have a plastic sheet. It will just work perfectly without it too. And as you can see, I'm done with this part and I love the results. Now all I have to do is to glue these two sides of the pages to each other. But you guys, this glue technique didn't work, so I decided to use some more of that tape, do this little technique to stick the pages together, and this technique worked perfectly. If you will not use a plastic sheet, maybe it will work with the glue stick, but this method is great too. It worked perfectly. And I'm basically done with this page. It turned out perfect, just like I imagined it, and I will basically put inside it this beautiful picture of Taehyung, just like this, and you can definitely change it and put other pictures or a painting or anything that you prefer. And this is the results. I love this page so much. It's one of my favorite spreads that I've ever done, so I hope you liked it too. Now for the next page, I will do kind of like a mini book using this piece of craft paper. So I will basically do some designs like a cover of a book on front of the craft paper, just like this, using a black pen first to do some outlines. And also, you guys, I will post all these spreads that I have done and also some other spreads that I have done in this journal on my Instagram, so go follow me on my Instagram at ilva.crafts if you want to check those out. Now for some other details, I use this brown pen just to give it more color. And on each corner I did this kind of like a simple design. And now I'm gonna add a label on front of the book cover, let's call it. So I decided to use this piece of paper where I wrote "Happy Birthday Taehyung" in kind of like a vintage style. I I also messed up Taehyung's name, and I'm so mad for that, but I fixed it after finishing with the filming. I cut that mini label up and glued it on the page. Now for the inside, I'm going to do some really cute, let's call them collages. I will use some black and white pictures of Taehyung and also a bunch of scrap papers and washi tapes and some cute vintage stickers. As you can see here, I just ripped some papers and some pages from old books. Here is a picture of Yeontan. It looks super cute, so I decided to stick that too. Guys, please let me know in the comments down below any video ideas or any other spreads that you want to see on my channel. I would really appreciate it. I also used some of this gold paper that I found on like a chocolate packaging, so I decided to use that too. These vintage stickers are so adorable, I love them a lot. I also used some of this vintage looking washi tape to add some more decoration. Now for the last picture, I used some more craft paper and a picture of Taehyung and some really cute stickers. You guys, I collect all these papers from like old art books that I had, or like from old books I get the text, and I also use a lot of pictures that I found from old art books or my school books, so that's definitely a good idea if you want to get some extra pictures or papers. And then I use this brown glittery gel pen to add some extra doodles like stars or hearts or like dots, little doodles to make it cuter. And then I decided to use this camera sticker. It's so cute and it fits Taehyung's aesthetic. And then I decided to add a border using this black pen, and I decided to write my message and my text off camera, so definitely check that out on my Instagram. And this is how it turned out. I just love the results. It looks super cute and vintage, just like I wanted it. Now all I have to do is to stick it on the journal and we're basically done with the spread. You guys, this spread turned out amazing, just like I imagined it. The whole vintage theme fits his aesthetic so much. I really enjoyed filming this video, and if you want to see more content like this, please let me know in the comments down below. Some other spreads of this journal will be posted on my Instagram, so go check that out. Thank you so much for watching! Alright guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope that I inspired you to create a journal spread for your own journal. Don't forget to follow me at my Instagram at ilva.crafts and subscribe to my second channel at ILVA Craft Shorts. Thank you so much for watching. I love you crafts. Bye! This is the end of today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe and ring the bell for more future videos. If you have anything else to say, just bye! And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, crafts!